In this DIY, we're going to be making a Christmas mason jar. What you'll need: a mason jar, fake snow, mini Christmas trees, battery-powered wire lights, a hot glue gun, string, Christmas ribbon and Christmas foliage. Don't forget to check your wire lights before you begin. Pour the fake snow into an empty mason jar. Secure your battery pack to the back of the jar using a hot glue gun. Once you have the desired amount of snow, arrange your wire lights within the jar. Place your miniature trees between the lights, ensuring that the base of the tree is pushed firmly into the snow to keep them in place. Fasten the lid and wrap the edges with twine. Use a dab of hot glue to secure the string into place as you wrap. Decorate your jar lid as you wish. We've opted for ribbon and pine cones to make it extra festive. Now switch on your wire lights and away you glow. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share the joy by sending us your version.